Model 2017 Ford Transit Courier base Tdci spares or repairs. The engine will need repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 140316. MOT, the 14th of August 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 Tdci 75 PS stage 6D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, timing belt has snapped. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.